We're outside the toy hauler here, and one of the favorite places for people to hang out is outside the awning. We, as much as possible, try to put on the biggest awning possible, but we also want to make it easy to set up. So standard on every one of our toy haulers is a power awning. Comes with an LED light strip. Makes setup super easy. Literally all you do is push a button inside here, open it up, push a button to bring it back in. And we're going to show you how the arms adjust later. If the power is out, your battery's dead for some reason, there is a manual override. It'll take a 7/16 inch socket. You can use a screw gun, or you could actually use a socket. That'll take quite a while, but you could bring it in the event that the battery was dead. It's got an adjustable pitch. We'll show you that if it's raining, you can kind of lean it to one side or the other to get the water to shut off. If it is windy, you want to make sure you bring it in. You want to bring it in quick and easy when you're going away from the trailer. But with a huge awning, you now have a massive area under here to hang out, get some shade, and just enjoy the day. Okay, now we're outside. We got our nice electric awning out. But if it's raining, you want to adjust the pitch so the water's not kind of capturing in the middle. Literally, all you got to do is just either side, you can just pull that. The water will then roll off the side just like a nice roof. And when you want to put it back up, it's just simple pushing it like that. In the event that it does rain on it, you can pull it back in. But as soon as you get a chance, you want to get it cleaned off or let it dry out. Otherwise, mold can build up on it. There's instructions in the manual how to clean the awning, all that good stuff. But if it does get wet, you just want to make sure you get it dried as soon as you can.